Alrighty guys, I'm going to show you how to decode a key today. First of all, there's 3 different ways of doing it, but this will be the first way. We're going to do it by bitting, which is one of the recommended ways to do it. That's the keyblade we're going to be using, which is a Toy 43. Alright, so first what we'll do is go through automotive and go key blank. And a good way to do it is actually just go all key blanks, just here, which gives you all the options. And then up the top here, you can go search, and you click here. Oops, we'll go Toy 43, which is the blade that we're wanting to cut. In this case, it is a 10 cut, and it does recommend that this one is for most vehicles. So we'll click that one there. Alrighty, now that we've got into this stage, it actually says up here that we need to put it in clamp M5, A side, tipper line, line 4. So also gives you an indication of how to do that, but we'll show you right now how to do that. Alrighty, so we will just tipper line this now. So if you're not sure how to tipper line, go back and watch our tipper line video. Alright, so we're going up to the 4th line. And close enough is good enough because it does do a calibration and learns where that blade is. Just make sure that blade is straight, like that. Once you've got into this stage, all you have to do on the machine is actually click Decode Key, and the machine will do the rest for you. Perfect. That has now successfully learnt the key. Okay there. One thing we can do is just pick up that key blade and just compare that. And that is looking pretty good there. I will show you one other feature as well, which is really cool that the Condor can do, is click the little X out of there. Then there's this fine bitting option, which you can click. You must be connected to the internet for this option. So we'll just click that, and we're using a Toyota. Click OK. And that will find that key code for you. So we do have this little metal tag here, which is probably a bit hard to read, but that there says 68869, which is what is on that screen as well. So it can find the key codes for you as well if it is successfully decoded correctly. Now to start cutting that, all you do is have to take that key out, pop a blank key in, and just click start cutting. In this step, don't have to really change any of that. Just make sure the blank blade is in that correct position and just click cut key.